The Auralis did not find too much mass beneath Teegarden's star B. It found too little. The planet pulled on us like a world whose interior had been removed. Archived data had always described a plausible world, a confirmed super-Earth only 12.5 light-years from Earth, circling an ultra-cool M-type red dwarf older than 8 billion years. Its measured minimum mass is 1.16 Earths. Its year lasts 4,90634 days. Its orbit closes at only 0.0339 astronomical units. The baseline was not wrong, but it was incomplete. From orbit, Teegarden's star B reflected the dim red light of its ancient star in a muted crescent. Most of the surface remained hidden beneath graphite shadow. Along the likely twilight boundary, low mineral ridges crossed a haze too faint to classify. Nothing moved. Then the night side limb opened. During the third low pass, proximity telemetry stopped matching a naturally differentiated planet. The gravitational harmonics flattened too quickly. The moment of inertia model only stabilized when the mantle was treated as largely absent. Behind one immense aperture, the scans returned nested arcs descending through the darkness. Not a cavern, architecture. If the readings are accurate, Teegarden's star B was excavated from within and rebuilt as a planetary shell. A dormant station on the scale of a world, a civilization with billions of years could have removed the interior layer by layer, leaving the outer crust as camouflage or memory. No narrowband signal followed. No thermal signature marked a surviving city. No descent path could be resolved beyond the first internal ring. The atmosphere remains unknown. The structure gives no indication that it is active. It only remains. From this system, Earth will soon pass across the face of the sun. If the silent observer was built to watch, what was it waiting to see? For now, we do not land. We listen. The full transmission is preserved in the Auralis.